Indulge in the rejuvenating benefits of our 120 milliliters Dead Sea Mud Mask, a vegan detox treatment designed to revitalize your skin. Experience the luxury of natural ingredients combined with the purifying essence of the Dead Sea for a refreshing and invigorating skincare routine. This product is currently priced website. Here we invite you to follow the review from Fi Reviewer channel. Look your best. Clean beauty can be dirty, and this Dead Sea Mud Mask will have you showing off your skin. Never hide your beautiful face, let it glow, and allow this mask to remove impurities, reduce acne, and unlock your best self. Just like an acne sponge, this Dead Sea Mud Mask ensures maximal detoxification and purification. You can think of mud as a magnet or even a sponge, drawing impurities like dirt and oil out of your clogged pores for a clearer complexion. When wet, clay swells and binds to impurities and, as it dries, soaks them into its center. Unique formula, unlike other mud masks, this is vegan, paraben, and sulfate-free with gentle and effective clean ingredients. Infused with shea butter, sunflower oil, aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, jojoba oil, calendula oil loved by thousands, featured in beauty boxes, used by beauty influencers, and a fan favorite. Mud masks for women and men are the perfect gift for those who enjoy self-care and being pampered. Did someone say Self-Care Sunday? Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your personal opinion right below this video.